Anos would scale to low multiversal with immeasurable speed.
We know Anos is multiversal plus, and 99 layers into it, in fact.
Hello everyone, I am Anos Voldegod, and today I have noticed that there is someone who seems to not fully comprehend my power level. Therefore, I am presenting a short explanation video, and I would like to clarify that this video isn't mine, but rather it belongs to one of my fans who is proficient in power scaling.
I won't mention more feats for more seasons, but let's just go over novels, which gives us a better understanding of the cosmology and what Anos is capable of. Orders are laws, scripts, and platonic concepts that govern everything within the world. Everything that exists is bound by order and must obey it. From this, we can clearly see that orders are platonic concepts. They existed before other concepts, and everything participates in them. Manipulating an order affects all objects related to that concept. Orders exist beyond the boundaries of time and space because they were present before the creation of the world and its concepts. They exist in a realm made of order, which excludes the dimensionality of space and time. This implies that orders scale to an outer-versal level, as per their definition. Additionally, order is a duality, stated to require equal order to exist, and this has been proven. Transcending order would still be outer-versal, as it would involve transduality type 2. Order is also referred to as the script or stage of the world, where changing it would mean altering the narrative it follows. Now, if we go even higher, we can discuss the god of absurdity. In transduality, there is type 3. To reach this level, one must not only use many-value logic, but also transcend both duality and transduality. The god of absurdity can manipulate both sides of order, such as hot and cold, and combine opposite natures into one coexisting form. This means it goes beyond normal duality and binary thinking, 0 and 1, and acts as a third option. Think of it as 2. Now, what does this have to do with Anos? Anos is not only a mystic who is unbound by order, but he is also chaos itself, an opposing option to all order, including the order of absurdity. This unlocks a new plane of logic, which in binary terms can be thought of as 3. Therefore, Anos' source is transdual type 3. Anos would scale to high outer-versal as per definition, but it doesn't end here. Everything I mentioned happened in Layer 0 of the Silver Sea, which consists of uninvolved worlds that are infinitely upon infinitely inferior to the higher layers. Using reasoning based on infinite hierarchies within each layer, Layer 0 would scale to infinite layers into high outer-versal, or at least Layer 1 would be such. However, since layers 1 to 99 can perceive themselves while Layer 0 worlds cannot perceive layers above them, we can use this logic to assert that it is a transcendence over the high outer-versal hierarchy, meaning Layer 1 would start at baseline extraversal. If not, Layer 2 could definitely be argued to be extraversal. This means that the Silver Sea is uncountably infinite into extraversal layers, and beyond that, there is the Abyss, which represents another inaccessible transcendence. If you're a bit nerdy of a scaler, you can join my server in which you will find a better explanation on cosmology. Anos scales to the whole cosmology. Now let's go over abilities, but I won't send scans since I have made a channel in my Discord server containing the scans with explanations for the abilities, so...
In the end, Anos earned the title of a misfit for a reason. Because when was the last time you heard that someone was so strong that even the gods start to question reality? Because just when the gods think they can kill him, the only thing that they will be hearing is,
"You only killed me. You should know that won't stop me." "What's wrong? I only came back from the dead."